Hey, what's up people? Welcome to another lesson of Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. This is lesson 8, and in this lesson we are going to get familiar with different forms of view in Microsoft Word. In previous lessons we learned how to create a document, how to work with a template, how to save a document, and how to open one. We also got into basics of typing in Microsoft Word. Now let's get familiar with more features Microsoft Word has to offer. Forms of view. This lesson we will entirely talk about, so let's click on View menu. The first group of options we are going to talk about is views that has 5 different types of views to offer. The first one and the default one is a print layout. This option shows your document at its best for printing. Your document appears as on paper when you print them. This is probably the best option if you would like to print reports or letters or any other types of documents that you would like to print. The next one is read mode. Well, this one gives you the option to get rid of everything that might distract you if you would like to just read your document without worrying about making any unwanted change to your document. In other words, using this option you cannot edit or type anything into your document. You can use these two buttons, next screen and previous screen, on the right hand side and left hand side to move back and forth between your pages. All you need to do to get back to that to the previous mode, the default mode, is pressing escape button on your keyboard. It's on top left hand side. The next one, web layout. This one gives you the option to see your document as it appears on web pages. If you would like to upload this document onto the internet, web layout will not show you any separation or any page breaks between your pages of document. You can see all the objects or pictures or media that you've used in that document just as it appears on a web page. Next one, outline. It gives you the option to create the outline of your document first, so you can start just typing everything and it creates an outline for you. In fact, it enables you to create the outline of your document first and then add media, pictures and objects to it. In intermediate lessons we will get more into details of working with outline mode. So clicking on close gets you back to the default mode, which is print layout. And the last one is draft option. Click on draft. In this mode, except for the header and the footer of your document, you can see everything, and the only difference is that the page breaks and that space between pages are replaced with dotted line, so you can scroll through your documents without any distraction as there is no space between pages. So this was another short lesson of Microsoft Word. In this lesson we got into view modes. In upcoming lessons we are going to get more into details of features that Microsoft Word has to offer. And if you would like to check the next video, you can see it on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left hand side. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video. Peace.